Yeah,
Actually,
got
why
it.
not?
Who isn't lined up?
Communist cat. Okay, there we go. So in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Right.
1, go. I think Buck had the best launch there. It seems. Lords
Oh, shit.
already dies up the line. I need to go down.
Oh fuck.
Oh, I nearly got squeezed by Book there.
Yeah, I
There.
got kind of pushed by Susie.
Ultra, can you not
Yeah, I
stand in the
saw
middle of
that.
the track next time? Well,
I
not
do
in the
not-
middle,
Oh,
but
got pushed by Sassy.
on the
It
track.
wasn't that bad.
I will be standing on the track. No. So it's
No,
the
don't do that.
Sassy.
Oh
Sassy
shit!
leads.
No.
Oh no!
Ewok crashes. Assassin second. Is that Buck? Com,
Yes.
Hank, Ewok, Lords, and
Got a tactical
Oh.
push from Hank.
tactical push from Hank.
Yeah, I lined my car up
this
so
is
he would
horrible.
push me forwards, and hopefully I will.
nah, I'm fucked. I'm
Oh,
fucked.
no, mind, tactical take
You
up.
don't DNF.
I wasn't gonna DNF.
Tactical W.
I've gone all
I
the
just,
way around.
I just
now.
said that I'm fucked. Well, I might catch up to Lords.
Well,
No,
I'm
fucked.
Lords is actually ahead of me. I got spun out.
Alright, so I'm
Again.
not last.
Well, I didn't get spun out first. So.
No way, it's Tarzan. Number 1. Wait, no. Number 2. Yeah.
Internet.
Does I see disconnect from this race?
How about a red flag? I'm kidding.
No.
Yeah, red flag, but like restart from original grid position.
Susie. Assassin.
I wouldn't mind a red flag.
I wouldn't mind this either.
Jeez,
E-
what's
oh,
okay? Well,
Lord.
I'll take the.
I
pollution.
just got punched by Hank.
Would have
to the
made me look
mailbox.
better if he'd actually crossed the line ahead. And
Oh,
then
Lord
taken-
gets killed across the line as well.
Oh, that's just typical Lords though.
But he crosses it before though.
We're
Yeah,
closing
I
in
just
on
got,
the
I just got
new
dragged by
stuff.
a
Yeah, so
communist.
he works sick. So he's
A
not
C
second.
book, I think.
Yeah, I just got
Oh.
killed. I got quite pushed to the mailbox by Hank, then dragged
I just
by a
crashed into
communist
the
race. So.
Assassin, overtake the Sassy. Go get her. Or him, or whatever they are. I don't
Ultra,
know.
I updated
No.
the Mustang.
You what?
Oh,
I updated the Mustang.
I
oh no 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 no! Oh, sorry, assassin. I am so sorry about that.
No, that was my fault. That was my fault.
And now I just got pushed by an evil.
Yeah,
the
sorry.
assassin crash and then
What's happened? His
Yeah.
car isn't there.
I'm kind of stuck.
Yeah, I
Assassin.
died.
Oh.
Bruce sucks. This is why you're fired. At least you're wearing your JD
Oh,
merch.
Oh
Are you
damn.
DNFing assassin?
I'm gonna return back to the track.
Okay.
Not allowed.
So Hank up to second.
Blue Lobster can't afford 2 F1 cars.
Third.
You're gonna have to retire from this.
What?
Yeah, bro wants another F1 car. Do you know how expensive it is?
You look up to fourth. Yeah, they aren't cheap. And is that book?
That's me.
It's actually a
that's
crime that the F1 is a rank 200 vehicle. It's a crime.
Lords in
So
seven.
underrated.
Settled.
I'm in
Assassin.
sixth.
Yeah, assassin. What is? Where is he? Oh wait, he died. Yeah. So he's gonna be a lap down then.
You should have just teleported straight away.
Yeah, he should have done that.
I'm gonna rage quit because we didn't red flag when I crashed.
Adder?
Who is
We
this
should do
behind
red
me?
flag practice.
Is this assassin behind me?
Yeah.
Thinking he's a sussy backer that's on my tail. I wonder if
What?
people are cutting on that, but I feel like that's a very cuttable play.
He was
Was
cutting,
not-
Oh
guys.
I
shit!
didn't.
What the hell?
But I know it's
Still in the
easier
lead.
to in the McLaren, the normal McLaren one, so I wonder if that's what the sussy's up to.
She's not pulling away from Hank.
Yeah, but they're both slow, so.
DRSing.
No. The top three positions.
Who's
are
gonna
the
stop
same.
me?
I will disqualify.
Hmm.
Assassin. 8th, and last. He's about to get lapped by Cheetah, I think.
How is he getting lapped by Cheetah? We haven't lapped anyone.
No!
Is
Assassin
Cheetah in
died!
Because I died
Oh,
Assassin died.
in a horrific car crash.
Yeah, I know.
Elegant.
Elruz.
Yeah. And
Boy.
that's it.
That's-
Fuck, I thought I was about to. Whoop, whoop, whoop. No, no, no,
Oh,
Someone
no!
died on the map.
no.
No, I'm stuck.
Joining
I'm
assassin.
stuck. I'm stuck. I'm so stuck. No, 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 no.
This is Assassin
no,
gonna be battling
no,
with
no,
Cheetah.
no, no.
actually.
Come on, come on, come on, come on. Yes, 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 yes,
Tarzan,
yes.
what
Okay, I'm
the
free. I'm free.
fuck?
I'm free. I'm free. I'm free. No, I just need to catch
Zach,
up.
I
again.
think it's Lords behind me. If I kill you, I do apologize.
Tarzan, do
Kill
not
him.
do that.
Kill him, but don't make it
That's
obvious. Make it
literally
look like an
black, white.
accident. Make it look like vision lag.
What? Assassin. As long as you beat Assassin Cheetah, we're proud. Hank second, by the way. I'm coming this guy. Not
Oh
Cheetah,
my
yeah.
god.
And I expect Ewok to be in fourth, but he's actually catching up a little bit. The cars behind. Just ever so slightly.
Yeah, when I'm not crashed. I haven't crashed the last couple of laps, so
And there's Assassin.
try and not jinx myself.
Could
This is my
Assassin.
first time I've
There we
ever
go.
drove this car.
I think I can potentially.
Same with this
catch
one.
up.
I was practicing the other one.
Fifth. And Lord
And this cat has been sighted on the track for the first time since my crash. We're closing in on the.
No! Fucking mailbox piece of shit.
Assassin, it's your time.
I'm
No!
just gonna cut and DRS so you can't catch up.
No.
I'll catch up via the penalties that are applied to you.
Not if I'm not caught.
I think I might be able to
Well-
lap Assassin, but I'm not sure.
I think it-
Unless you're lapped as well. Then if you're
Fuck's
not.
sake.
Cheetah, you haven't crossed the line yet. What happened?
I have crossed the line. Yes, you're.
Fuck, you can
fine.
just blue flag assassin.
Look at the map. I'm at the 207
You
right
lagged
now.
so hard that I didn't see you crossing the line.
I don't lag.
You
You're blind.
no.
Oh, accusations flying.
What?
Bad
So,
host.
He and Hank very close.
Ultra bad host.
Yo,
What?
did you crash?
Dum dum.
No. Yep.
And he crashed on the final corner. Ewok, forward. Did you crash? No. Yes. Ewok, don't crash.
Reminds me of that I've done the impossible video.
Assassin. And book. That's...
I just took the biggest W ever. I crashed into a wall.
Ewok,
Congratulations.
Thank you. Worked hard to achieve that.
catch him.
Oh dear goodness.
Ultra, don't miss me now.
That's cheap. I see you.
Good. Can I catch
Oh.
up to Lore too, you reckon?
Yes, but Assassin will probably catch up to you, so... That's
Isn't
what you know.
assassin laps though?
Not
But
by
he will-
Cheetah though, was he?
No. Well... That's the stuff, right? So... He's down a lap, but he can... Well... Yeah, no, not
Actual
lap,
worst race host ever. What is going on?
Shut up. I'm
Was
confusing
this
myself.
awful? Yeah. Awful.
Shut up.
Bro doesn't even know what day it is.
Shut up. What's your penalties? Oh, yeah.
Your penalties are worse than mine.
Shut up. No.
Yeah, they are. Mine are actually debatable whether they're actually like
10
applicable
seconds
or
for
not.
corner cutting.
You literally penalized me for trying to go around Ada when Ada crashed.
No, I did not. No, that was not. That was not because of that. But okay.
Yeah,
That-
it was.
No,
Like bro is an Ada synthesizer.
no. You had to do the Abu Dhabi 2021 beauty.
Or 2021 was like at least a day ago. Come on, man.
And Lord.
In 2021, it turned 2022.
Russ just learning in the chat how cars work.
The Sassy's about to lap Keith and Lords.
Wondering why his car's rolling down a hill in neutral.
Hank crashes on the final
Oh,
corner.
I was going up the hill in neutral.
I crashed into a stop sign and I
And you're
didn't
still
need to
going up?
stop.
Yes.
Hank crashed into the wall on the final corner, I think. Lap 8 for the leader.
Oh,
So about lap 5, Lords.
Kami's at third and Ewok.
how old are you in Lord's years?
This race was completely horrible of me.
I mean, it's only a race, so.
Versus
I
smart
wouldn't
car
really care for
race.
this race,
I have catch up to Lords though, but now he's kind of going away from me again. I don't know what I
Yeah,
think about
good.
that. Why is that good? I'm your fucking reserve driver, you fucker.
Peter technically has the same amount of wins as Ultra in my server.
No, I have 2.
Oh, never mind.
Shut up.
Sorry, I forgot from all the 6th places you go. Oh no, I crashed into a wall.
As you say that.
Wait,
Instant
I'm through.
karma,
I'm through
or-
on. I'm through on
Lords
coming
is
to
about to
scan.
lap Assassin. Well, what?
Oh.
Lords, no, Assassin
No
Blue.
pressure, you are.
Assassin Blue flag for Lords.
I was catching anyway.
Yeah.
Assassin has been lapped by Lords, guys.
Wow, Lords lap someone.
That must be. That's a
I last
first.
drove
Surely,
this
that's a
car
new
when it was
record.
split.
That's
That is
all.
a-
Oh my god, Assassin!
Tarzan,
Oh,
could you not move me around like that? Monkey.
thank you.
Yeah. Problem.
And it seems to be. Is it
Whoa,
Ewok ahead?
that was a close one.
Ewok ahead in third.
Yeah, he is.
He is ahead.
I
The
think
car.
I killed the sussy by accident.
Good.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Position cheating.
Chico, could you shut up? Thank you.
Shut up, Ultra.
Shut up.
May I ask how's the race going?
Loving it.
Doing
Hello,
good.
Cos.
Oh, mid,
Yeah,
but
I'm
good.
winning.
No,
fifth.
you're not. You're in fourth, not fifth.
Oh.
How's
Let's
the
go.
Who's leading? Sassy?
Yes.
Yeah, that's not really a surprise.
How's the gap to second so big? Come here, Scout. What were you doing?
What were you
I'm
doing? You was
fucking
second.
crashing.
Ewok, you was second.
What? Apostrophe?
Actually, he never finished. He never like finished a lap in second in this race.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You started second.
Oh,
according to this list of times.
Arr.
Well, did I actually start second?
Yeah. Until you
Blue
didn't.
flag.
Is there any verifiable evidence of that?
Look in the event channel real quick. You need to pull over to do that. Yep.
No, I'll just get my phone up.
My brakes failed. I have brake fade.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Blue flag for
It's in
Hank.
the purple. Oh, that's
Hank.
Hank.
Don't let them through.
I did let him through because I need the blue flag for him.
Take them out then.
Well, you don't
No.
need to.
Lick the stamp and send it.
Well, I'd rather not have a penalty for not blue flagging.
I mean,
Communist cat for Assassin has been lapped twice now.
This is
What?
epic.
What's going on there?
yeah,
Assassin
Bruce,
died.
This is
Bruce
Yeah,
contract
I
will
might
not be
collide
renewed.
with him and lost
How
some
is
time.
the podium looking and like
So
Tell you
it's,
what, you should just send him back to Red Lobster and forget about it.
Sassy is leading, right?
Sassy, Hank, and Ewok.
Sassy Hank.
Wait, wasn't the Sussy saying something earlier about she has an hour of interrupted gameplay? Can we make this race just last a bit longer than an hour?
That looks like a Mclaren W.
What if she just disconnects after?
That would be very funny.
It would.
What if she disconnects on the final lap? That would be even more.
And
fun.
Hank's also Mclaren. Damn, it's a Mclaren one too. This is disgusting.
Yeah.
Lords
I
missed the
think
signs of
that's
low
your
fuel.
fault, Ewok, that you can't really.
I've come back from second to last, back to third. Okay, we're on the comeback drive.
How did you come to last in the first place?
Kept crashing.
Tico, stop with the horn.
I was behind Lords. Okay.
The Sassy and Hank, very close now.
Lodge is in last, right? isn't he?
Yeah.
That's
Shit, I think
Assassin.
Assassin's
Actually, no. Yeah,
That's
sorry.
me,
He will be
yeah.
soon though, because he's run out of fuel. But
Oh, that's
yeah.
unfortunate.
Yeah.
I'm also almost run out of fuel. And speaking of that,
You crap! You're an actual idiot.
I had to stop for fuel real quick.
Did you?
No.
Ultra, who is behind me?
Ah, tire marks. Probably me.
Oh,
Probably.
Yeah, if Hank slapped you, then it'll be me next.
alright.
You'll be ordered out of the way.
Yeah, we'll move out of the way when it's required.
My soldiers will be at your house tomorrow.
Thank you.
Yep, and I'm DNF.
That's all I wanted to ask. See ya.
Oh,
Oh, I thought
and
you blue flagged.
Assassin rage quit.
No.
Yeah, because my fuel died. I'll be spectating the race though.
You should catch you up.
meet me in the boardroom. 5 minutes, Assassin. What lap we on right now?
10.
The Sussy just started lap 12.
Oh, close enough. Oh no.
Thank
Oh,
you.
that worked.
And Hank.
I am
What?
good.
Still that far ahead. Ooh, that was a close one. We'll not be risking it like that again.
Do it.
And Ewok.
Yeah, look how far ahead he is. Ooh.
Oh no. I
Oh, look at closing down. Okay. What?
I'm gonna spawn in front of AU real quick.
Nah,
At
bro, he's
least
a
I'm-
lap down.
Wait, did you
Uh,
die?
Yes.
Lap down then, surely?
Yeah,
You got an assassin.
assassin.
Yeah.
I saw like a turquoise car just. The cat die or something.
Damn, I didn't know. I was just randomly talking to
I
VC
just
earlier.
passed through. It looked like his car was just sitting there idle, and then
I know, should we ask Communist Cat again?
I'm behind Lords now.
what?
Oh, okay, so he's not.
Wait, Lords, that means Lords is actually ahead then, doesn't it? Because
Yeah, Lords is ahead.
Lords, you do not have to blue flag.
Wait, Ultra,
Brand
Ultra, what
movement.
place am I in then?
He blue flagged into a pole.
Fourth?
Yes, but
What?
Lord
So what
7.
position
was
am I
purely
now?
by luck.
5th.
I'm still 5th.
Yes,
Well, you
because
were
Lord was
sixth.
What
6.
the fuck?
The Sussy's right behind you, by the way.
Always
dear.
wanted to jerk off.
What?
I mean, you can go do
You
that
need
if you
help,
want. I
Mclaren?
don't know.
What?
She needs help?
We clipped on 5,000.
Yeah, someone get this guy.
Ewok, how do you race at 30 FPS?
I don't know if I'm racing at 30 FPS. I don't know what it is. Wait, I can press like the button. It's like Shift F5, isn't it?
My
Yeah.
TV doesn't refresh past 30.
Yeah, anyways. 3 dots
It's
seems
as
to
if
be
I
very
don't
close.
have like, you know, as if I need glasses but don't have any because the road just fuzzy ahead. I can't see anything.
To be honest, I'm actually racing on about 54 FPS when there's no one else around.
That's a
That's-
flex.
What the fuck just happened?
But I think it goes down when there's more people. I'm
Oh,
literally
oh,
in the
never
middle
mind.
of nowhere.
4, but very far behind.
But yeah, sometimes I've,
Yeah, the top
especially on
people
my old
just
lap.
murdered me, but I won't complain. It's fine.
And there is Communist Cat.
He's probably gonna kill me too.
I'm not gonna catch up to Lords, am I?
No. Lords is about. Lords, you need to blue flank for the Sussy?
Lords is actually doing well. Does he still have a fuel crisis though?
Probably. He's not fueled, yeah.
At least
Surely
I'm
you can come
last
into the
in
pit so you can give him your
standings.
gas can or something.
One of
He's
the
not got
last
many
in the-
laps.
The Sussy and Hank are on lap 14 out of 20. So he should be fine. I think. Because he's gonna get lapped.
That's incredible. Oh, 3%. Jeez, bro's not doing well.
What is he doing? Well,
Lords, toggle the secret hack I taught you.
Toggle the nuke button.
It's official. Lord's coming into the pits.
The big red button.
Is he gonna lose position?
he's not gonna.
Ultra,
He's just crossing the line, and Lords crossed the line like ages ago.
Ultra.
No.
If I left now, would you not count that as a DNF? Just put me on all the just make me do all laps, but put me in last place.
No,
Yeah?
I will be a DNF. No. What are you on about?
But I
Lord's
want
about
to
pit.
return to FL Studio.
Cheetah, you have a chance on Lords. He has to pit. He's on no fuel.
Go get him.
He will have a slow pit stop. That's what.
Why did you choose this car?
I was given the idea for this car.
Yeah, but you
I
chose.
me.
Yeah, by you.
Oh, that's why Ewok's doing okay. He already knows this car.
Well, I didn't ever drive
Boy,
long.
braked in front of Hank. Nah, that was an unsafe.
Basically the same.
I would say the
Like,
long
there's
tail
some
handle is better.
differences, but
Lord.
Yeah, no, they're similar, but I'd say the long tail is better.
No.
this is like my first time driving on this chassis.
Who's crossing the
It's
line right
awful.
now?
I crossed the line earlier.
Yeah,
Just
'cause I died, 'cause
hell nah.
I went
He
inside
literally
of
made-
Wait, did Ultra disconnect?
no, because I am still here, but I'm going to the line
Dang
right
it.
now.
the excitement in Commodus voice.
Yeah, please
No.
red flag.
I
For
said
every-
anyone else
for
crossed the line.
anything-
Who's
in the
this right
world.
behind me?
I have nothing else to lose. Please, please flag.
Wait,
Has
red
anyone else
flag.
crossed the line?
Oh, it's
Assassin.
Lords behind me. Jeez, what's he doing? How did
Was
he
that
catch
Burr?
up?
That was me.
We just crossed the line. I didn't.
That was me. who crossed the
I
line.
just crossed the line again in the leads.
You did not. I'm at the line right now.
You're on
You
lap.
must,
there is
you must
Burr.
have blinked. You must have blinked.
Lap what?
Kitty, silence.
Ultra, what's the lap?
15?
Oh, hello, sus.
Yeah, blue flag for the sus.
Don't.
I boosted and that just slowed down anyway.
Hell no. This is fucking ass.
And Hank as well will be about to knock you. Or will about to
Oh,
knock you. Yeah.
left. What does that mean?
I'm
What?
only doing F once in this server, I think. Oh no, twice because I disconnected.
What? Oh, a truck nearly just was in my way there. A blue truck. Who's doing that?
Is it Tico?
Probably. If I'd been there a second earlier,
Okay, banning Tico.
Yeah.
he just drove across straight through the track, like blindly.
Should I
Fine,
commit Adder and
sorry.
just DNF every race I don't win?
no.
I got bored of it though. And also ran out of fuel.
I crashed.
Yes.
It's a bit of a shame, kind of.
For us, it was very close. Okay.
I'm just shielding here all alone.
Oh, was that you, Hank? There you go.
It was you, Tico.
Yeah, that was me.
You're catching up to Lords.
I
Well,
took
that's
Hank out, I
positive.
think.
It was also
Problem
very
is
close
that
for us when you took.
By
out
the time I
Master
catch
Rulu
up
in
to him, the
championship
race will be
race.
over ages ago. That's a
Did
problem.
you just break it?
And I need to blue flag soon. That's also a problem.
No, the Sussy's just crossing the line now.
Who's behind me
It
then?
means I'm in third. I'm kidding.
Oh wait, that's... I didn't see... There's Hein. The Sussy might have a win. But
Yeah, I appear to be catching Hank. So.
I'm right behind Hank, Ewok. You'll lose. Oh, I crashed.
You're about to be laughed by Ewok as well.
No, not about to. Ewok's way too far behind to let me.
Ewok just... Okay, yeah.
I say crashing into a bus.
So
I'm not
Ewok will be
stupid.
lapping you.
If you continue to crash, it will. If you don't, then probably.
What lap?
17?
Out of
20?
20.
how many laps are left?
3.
3?
Well, technically 4, because you have to do
Yeah.
laps. Well, that's not the 4 laps for me.
Hello.
It's so low.
So you're a lap down, sir.
Er,
Er.
sounded like a bloody villager then.
Oh.
Oh god, the Ferrari. No
I
way.
promise that's only because I told myself now that I will not DNF because I won't be on the DNF list. But I don't want to be there.
Sussy crossing the line
Uh,
now. Lap 18.
I will get disconnected like the final lap. I promise.
And Hank is nowhere to be seen. There is Hank. Falling
Oh, I
behind.
gained 0.2 of a second on Hank this lap. Perfect.
Oh, let's go.
This
Assassin, shut up.
sorry.
I'm kidding, Assassin. No, I'm not.
Give me a kiss, assassin.
Oh.
Ewok crossing that line now.
Are you cheating on Cheetah,
Assassin, you
Ewok?
No, Ewok, you forget he DNF.
Oh,
Never mind.
Book. It's
Lord's.
what Ewok said, but when he said me and Cheetah are having majorly sex, he meant that he raped me. I'm a rape victim here.
What?
Oh,
I
I'm
actually
a
think
victim
Ewok-
here.
Okay.
No, I
I
actually
would,
think
I
it's-
would, I would never cheat on my pilot.
You told me you
What?
like
Yeah, good point.
Nah.
Did a major L and
What
crash.
you would also never do? Not blue flag for me, which is what you. Oh shit! Did I kill
Oh.
you?
I did blue flag.
Oh, yeah, you did.
By crashing.
Thank you. That was
Still
so
counts.
close.
Yeah, I know it's still
A
counts.
lap 19, is it? Or
Yes. No, 18. But the Sussy
Imagine
starting
crashing before you blue flag,
gonna
then you have to
crash.
ask to overtake so you can blue flag.
Yeah, the Sussy starting penultimate lap.
No one asked though.
I don't think I did.
DE taking an L. Confirmed.
You took the L by DNFing.
Yeah. Yeah. Like,
Or just accepts it.
yeah. I accepted.
yeah, I just saw like a blue truck. Not on the track, just. Is that
Yeah,
Tycho
why is he?
on the
Can he
truck?
just? If he's not gonna race, and he's not gonna spectate properly. Why
He
is
wasn't
he?
on the track. He looked like he was spectating.
Why the hell is Kitty?
No, but he's driven across the track before. Just walk, or like just don't.
I
He
don't know,
walked
for
across the track
levitate
last
or
time.
something.
There's literally the flight. You can fly around in this. There's free cam. Why is he moving?
Just use free cam.
Lord.
No clip me.
Has Cheetah been lapped by a Sussy again?
No, not yet. But I think she's pretty much
He is
like
the car
behind me.
behind too.
Yeah, we probably have to blue flag in some of the next corners. I think I can make this one. Yeah, I would need to. Yeah, I can probably make
Probably
that
not
one.
yet. It's not yet. You're still very.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can still. I will probably have to do it in like the next corner, maybe. Or maybe I can make
yeah.
it another one. Yeah.
Sussy
Yes.
final lap.
Let's
Just
go,
gonna
I'm on my
blue flag
final
now.
lap.
Actually, you're not yet.
Technically, if I finish the race before you, well, that means I'm technically third.
Less mileage completed.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm starting my final lap
Yeah, final lap.
before Ewok did, so technically I'm not lapped by Ewok. Technically I'm
Not
third.
yet. But he was-
UDER
no.
logic right now. That little crap.
He crashed on again. Ewok. What is this?
Just flexing on the haters.
Final lap for Ewok.
Is she gonna lap me? Because I feel like it.
I don't
She's
think.
on her final lap, so as long as you cross the line, you're.
Lords. As well.
This
Oh,
Lord's
no,
there?
also,
I'll let
can you
Lord's
check who's
pass.
behind me?
Oh, don't let Lord.
That is.
He's a lap
Susie,
down though, isn't he? Yeah.
But
Yeah.
Susie's on her final lap, so
Yeah,
once
me
she
and
crosses
Lord's
the line,
we're
it's
gonna
over. bitch.
recreate the
The Ford GT40.
Yeah,
Buck on his final lap now. You might want to be a bit cautious because Buck is also on his final lap, and the Sussy win.
I got wedged
Congratulations.
in between a pole and a building.
Wins.
And I
Cheetah-
get the
I am
second
too good.
place. Let's go. I'm
Yeah.
kidding. I'm
Wait,
kidding.
second?
I'm kidding. Rick. I'm
Seven,
kidding.
Hank second. So Hank second.